So I'm done getting ready and I'm just testing out this camera, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. And actually, nawala na yung liwanag. Medyo naging gloomy na outside. So kung mapapansin nyo kanina, mas maliwanag yung video and now medyo dim na siya ng konti. But dahil maganda yung low light quality nito, maganda pa rin yung nakikita nyo. But in reality, it's kind of gloomy. So anyway, oh wait, let's try the microphone para mas feel natin tong camera. So ayan, ito yung mic. Yung mic. Ayan. Ooh, see? Ang ganda. No focus. So ayan. Then lalagay ko muna to. Hi! Hi, mic test. Ayan. So, hindi ko pa na-check yung audio recording, but I hope mas maganda yung quality. And ma-check natin later on once I have edited the video. So, share ko lang din yung mga nagamit ko. Mga skincare na paubos ko na. And ginagamit ko. Ayan. First is the CosRX Advanced Nail 96 Music. Ayan. As you can see, paubos na siya. And I really love this because nakatulong siya sa oily skin ko. Minsan oily kasi yung skin ko, minsan dry. So, I have a combination skin. And for my sunscreen, I used this Beauty of Johnson. Ayan. Here you go. As you can see, paubos ko na rin siya. And kapag hindi ko siya nagagamit, minsan naman pag hindi ko yun gamit, ang gamit ko ay si Dear Gleamy na ito. Sunscreen ng Dear Gleamy. Bago lang to, as you can see, yan. Oh. Mataba pa siya. How's the quality so far? I plan to test this camera outside. Kaso medyo late na. It's already 4:20. Ayan. Ang original plan ko today is pumunta sa bank para ipapalit yung UGC check ko. But I guess, di na ako makakaabot. But let's see anong hanash or ganap for today. Siguro mag-b-roll muna ako ng mga gamit-gamit dito sa house para matest lang talaga natin yung quality ng camera.
On the road, I've been away for far too long, but now I'm on my way back home. I hear the west winds calling out my name. They're telling me to head your way, down your road and past your gates. Keep your eyes on the horizon. I was looking to belong when I'd already found my home. Won't be long, I'm there before the setting sun, for you to fall into my arms, the place I call my home. I was looking to belong when I already found my home. that you will be there when the rains are gone. Like a light in the night, you will always be my home.
All the cards and always kept me in the dark. I never thought I could shake this heartache until I saw your light, and it's got me feeling like life is good, yeah. Life is good, yeah. Yeah, in my darkest times, you got me feeling like I've been walking on air. Left all my worries and cares. I've got no burdens around you. I don't care who knows I love you. 'Cause I've been so lost without you. And in my darkest times, you got me feeling like life is good, yeah. Life is good,